Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. On a bit of breaking news to bring to you right now on the program is that DMX, the American rapper and actor, has passed away at age 50. When we return, we'll have more details to come on Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV's Celebrity Scoop. On a bit of sad and breaking news to bring to you right now coming outside of the United States is that US rapper and actor DMX has passed away at age 50. This is 5 days after he suffered a massive heart attack. The former performer, whose real name is Earl Simmons, had been placed on life support and died with his family by his side. In a statement, his family said that he had been a warrior who fought till the very end. Earl music inspired countless fans across the world, and his iconic legacy will forever live on. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity as well just to send our heartfelt condolences to his family, his friends, and his fans right across the world. DMX, aka Dark X, was a leading hip-hop performer who collaborated with acts such as Jay-Z, Ja Rule, and LL Cool J. DMX took his name from a drum machine used in rap tracks. The chart-topping artist had illustrious musical careers with many hits over the decades of his musical career. He also acted on the screens, acting in films such as Cradle to the Grave, Romeo Must Die, and Exit Wound. Born in Mount Vernon, New York in 1970, DMX publicly battled substance abuse for many years and spent several periods in rehab. DMX, a father of 15, served jail sentence on charges including animal cruelty, reckless driving, drugs possession, and weapons possession. According to his family, DMX passed away on Friday at White Palms Hospital in White Palms, New York. He loved his family with all his heart, and we cherish the time we spent with him, the statement continued. We appreciate all the love and support during this incredibly difficult time. Please respect our privacy as we grieve the loss of our beloved brother, father, uncle, and the man the world knew as DMX. So that was a statement from the family and friends of the late rapper DMX. And we at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity once more just to express our heartfelt condolences to the family, friends, and his millions of fans right across the world. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest update to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always continuing to support the movement of Links 007 TV.